Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator air grill. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new air grill. The air grill directs the airflow through the freezer. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we can reach in and pull the basket out. All you have to do is pull it out and lift it out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Now that we have the basket out, you have access to the air grill. There's a couple of locking tabs up here on the top. There's a little screwdriver symbol where we have to put the flathead screwdriver in to release it. All you have to do is stick the screwdriver in and kind of flex the release tab and pull it on the air grill. Once you have one side off, just pull it out a little bit and then pull it over this way a little bit so the other side releases, and then we can pull it out of the freezer. Here's the old air grill next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new air grill in, all you have to do is line it up, and you want to lift it all the way up to the top of the freezer and then push it back so it locks in. Once you have it locked in place, we can put the basket in. To put the basket in, you just want to set the back end in first and make sure it goes behind the locking tabs. Once you have it in place, you can set it down, then we can close the freezer door, plug the refrigerator back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.